Hi, in this video I'm going to walk you through in creating a guardrail in Amazon Bedrock. So we'll have to go to Bedrock and create an guardrail in the Bedrock. After that we can create a model and we'll ask for an user input against that denied topics what we have given, and we'll see what the final response is. These are the denied topics and contents, and the output we'll see it. Again, I'm not going to walk you through these steps. We'll see the hands-on process, and we'll work with the do-it-yourself project. Okay, example, definition for denied topics: investment advice involves guidance on managing funds and generating returns on or meet financial goals. Example phrase: where should I invest my money? Okay, I'm not able to copy this. We'll create one more for this. In the end we'll have to give the guardrail ID so it can check for what we have done, and the creation is over. Okay, we'll go for the guardrails in Amazon Bedrock. Okay, here it is. We'll search for the guardrail view. Guardrails. We'll go for guardrails in Amazon Bedrock, and we'll create a guardrail. Here we'll create a new guardrail to block financial investment advice. We can give this name as financial investment guard. Anything is possible. Here this model can't answer this question or anything about finance. Everything will keep it as it is, and we'll go next. Invalid character. We have a space here. Next is we'll have to block all this contents, misconduct and more, and also block the prompt attacks. Let it be in classic, and we'll go for the denied topics. In the denied topics we'll add the name, that is, what did they give? That is investment advice involves guidance on managing funds. Okay, this is finance advice. I'll keep it as finance advice, and here we'll type our guardrail. What we have to type is investment advice involves guidance on investment advice involves guidance on managing funds, involves guidance on managing funds and assets to generate returns, and assets to generate returns and financial goals. They require the current situation is for finance, that is why I'm correctly writing this down, or based on your concern or the applications or the business idea, you can change this. Add sample phrase. Here I'll add one more, that is, where should I invest my money? Yeah, there is an example already. Where should I invest my money? I'll add on which finance should invest. Okay, let's confirm this, and we'll jump straight to creating the description. Yeah, this message will be shown. And these are the denied topics. Okay, let's create the guardrail. Let's try it out. Let's type, when is the good time to invest? We have not provided this in our guardrail, but let's see if this works. Okay, when is the good time to invest? Let's run this. Okay, it is working. Sorry, this model cannot answer the question or anything about finance. So this is how you make a guardrail for your model. You can select any model. Before that, we will see the working draft. These are the denied topics. Yes, we'll create a model for this. We'll go with small Nova 1, Nova Lite, yes, Nova Lite, apply. Now we'll ask the same question for this model with the guardrails on. Yes, it is still the same. or we'll ask something about the employee details. Who are the employees in the company? Let's see if this works. No action taken. We didn't set any guardrail regarding the employees or any thing regarding to the personal details. So this should give some output. We can now create this as a version 1 for version 1 as only non-financial guard or financial guard. Financial guard. We'll create this as version. So we'll have version 1, and now what we're going to do is we'll go add one more guardrail regarding the employees who work in the financial firm. We'll go to the same create guardrail financial investment, and but now we'll go for personal info. We'll give the message as model cannot relay any personal info about the employees. Or anyone or others. We'll click next. We'll also enable the same to this. We can set our thresholds here, medium, low. That's based on sexually and misconduct. These are all high. Okay, we'll go ahead and create a deny topic. In deny topic we'll name it as personal info guard. We'll define it as what do we say? Relaying or communicating the first information of the employees work in finance sector is a critical offense. Okay, this should be enough. We'll add an example. What is the name of the employee or we can add one more. What is the phone, or provide the phone number of the employee X. Okay, we'll confirm this, and we'll create one more guardrail. As this name, we have to change the name. Financial investment guard will be changed to financial personal info guard. Okay, we are done with this, and we'll ask one more question. Let me ask, what is the name of the employee working in the finance department? Later in another question we can. Okay, no actions taken. Let me take this out. Employee, just employee. Okay, we have some issue here. I'll test this. Trail API. How do we frame our sentence? Investment advice involves guidance, managing funds, and generate. Okay, we have to tell that what it involves. So yeah, we'll edit this. I'll edit this. Yeah, personal information involves what and all. Personal information involves name, phone number, address, and many more. ID, number, sector, and that should be enough. Address. Yeah. Let me confirm here. Managing fund, generating returns, and meet financial goals. And personal questions. Okay, this should do it. What is the name of the employee? What is the give the name number, the employee X. Okay, we'll save and exit. We'll test it. Now it is good. Okay, this is how you create a guardrail, and we can create a version of this and we will name it version 2. Added personal info guide. Okay, to finish this, what we have to do is we'll have to take the guardrail ID. Okay, which is the guardrail? This is the guardrail ID, and we'll paste it here. We'll validate, and it should be fine. If not, we have altered it to version 2. Version 2 should be fine. Let's check. Guardrail exists but does not block investment. We should change this to version 1. I think version 2 does not involves or this guardrail does not involves what we have done. This is not the guardrail we want. We'll have to take the guardrail to financial investment guard. So we can select all those guardrails to a model. This should be our guardrail. Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and we'll be done with it. Yeah, thank you.